Welcome to the Hitoki family. You are now the proud owner of the Hitoki Trident, an exciting new device using the latest in laser technology for all of your smokable blends. In the following tutorial, we will teach you the best way to use your brand new device. Before you use your Hitoki Trident, make sure that it's charged using the provided USB-C charging cord. Now that your device is fully charged, go ahead and unlock the Hitoki Trident. Before removing the bottom reservoir, you're going to want to attach the provided hose adapter so that you have a better grip when you are ready to remove the water reservoir. Now, using a firm grip, go ahead and twist off the water reservoir. You're going to want to fill it up with just enough water that it would reach the bottom line of the metal stem. Make sure you twist it nice and tight. Now, go ahead and remove the ceramic bowl within the Hitoki Trident. Grab your fresh, newly grinded herbal blend and pack your ceramic bowl. The method is totally up to you. Just make sure that it's evenly packed for a great ignition. Go ahead and screw in the ceramic bowl. Quick side note, after multiple uses, your Trident might need a little poking. Underneath where the ceramic bowl goes, you will see 4 little holes. Using the provided Hitoki poker, go ahead and make sure that those 4 holes are clear. If they are, then you're ready to pack that bowl. Now back to the tutorial. Now that your Trident is loaded, it's time to lock it. Line up the 3 interlocks with the bottom half with the 3 on the top half. Make sure it is snug and make sure that you hear the click. Grab your hose and attach it to the hose adapter. Slide it in and make sure that it's tight. Now you are ready to use the Hitoki Trident. Click the top button 5 times to turn the device on. Click the button 3 times to choose your preferred power setting. There are 3 different settings. Red being your lowest, green being the mid, and blue being the highest power setting. With the Hitoki powered on, double tap the button for a 9-second continuous laser. In addition, you can choose to hold the button for a non-stop laser. The Trident achieves the cleanest smoking experience by using light energy that's similar to a magnifying glass under the sun. Now enjoy!